Welcome to the first of my many EQAO preparation for grade 9 mathematics videos. I'll be covering questions from the practice EQAO exam. And it is really important that you're well prepared for the EQAO exam in June, as it is really important. So in this video, I'll be covering the first 4 multiple choice questions from the practice exam. So question 1 asks, what is the value of x squared cubed when x is equals to 1/2? So what you do is pretty simple. You only work with the denominator and not the numerator, as it stays the same at the end. So 2 squared is 4 and 4 cubed is 64. So 1 over 64 is the final answer, which is D for question 1. So question 2. A box has a volume of 12x squared, y squared, which is shown below. So we have the length given, which is 2x, and the height is 2y. And they want for us to find the width of the box, which is here, the unknown value. So what we do, first of all, is to multiply the length times height, which are the given values. 2x times 2y is equals to 4xy. So you divide that from 12x squared y squared, which is the volume of the cube, of the box actually, and you get 3xy after dividing. So which is B. So 2b. And I actually highlighted the 2 main steps for this question. So this is relatively a straightforward question. So 3. The cone shown below is 20 centimeters high and has a total volume of 1,000 centimeter cubed. So, and they want us to find the radius. So you would have received a formula sheet for your EQAO testing. And it should have the formula for the cone, and you have to derive the formula for radius from the formula of the cone. And if you have any trouble with that, and you can consult with your math teacher. So the correct formula for radius will be the square root of 3 times volume over pi times height. So you're given volume and height, so all you do is plug it in to the simple equation, and then you solve it, which is 6.9 centimeters as your radius, which is part A. Actually, answer A is correct for question 3. And finally, question 4. So Alfredo and his wife, Jody, work in a restaurant. So last week, Alfredo received an average of $15 in tips for each of the 55 tables he served. Jody received an average of $20 in tips for each of the 60 tables she served. They are planning on a weekend trip. Alfredo will pay a total of $220 for their hotel room, and Jody will pay a total of $160 for their rental car. So how much of their combined tips will be left over after they have paid for their hotel room and rental car? So this is one of the more simpler questions. Multiplication, subtraction, addition, pretty simple. So we calculate the total tips for Alfredo and Jody. For Alfredo, $15 times 55 tables, $825. And for Jody, $20 times 60 tables equals to about $1,200. You add those together to get $2,025. And for their expenses, $220 plus $160 will give us $380. And you subtract $380 from the total amount of tips, you'll get $1,645, which is answer B here, would be correct for question 4. So I hope that this video helped so far, and I'll see you in the next video.